Guys, move the mouse cursor like we did earlier on. Let me see if I want to go to our word. So I'm going to my start. Now it's displaying our different files. Now I want to go to Word. This is my Word here.
Are you pulling up?
Is that?
I'm asking, are you pulling
You
up?
can see how I'm moving my mouse, using my mouse. Because we are discussing about the uses of the mouse. Now I'm moving it until I get to my words. Then I click. I left click. So you can see now my words, Microsoft Word is open. Now if I want to work on something, if I want to type, I can simply move my mouse again to where I have my blank documents. And what do? I just left click and it opens. Did you realize that when I clicked, you see the cursor? Did you see it? It showed a bit. So thank you. So that is that on how to move or how to use the mouse. Now I said you move the mouse cursor. This is still my pointing key. If I want to move the cursor, I just move my arrow to where you have your cursor. You start your work. And let us continue without wasting time. Say point. That's the second uses. Your point. I demonstrated that. So once the mouse is moved, you can point something out for another user, or point a digital object. For example, in a game, you can use the mouse to point a gun in the direction to shoot. You can use the mouse to point a direction in a gun, in a direction to shoot. Number 3, open or execute a program. Open or execute a program. Guys, if you want to work on a program, just like I did the first instance, I went to my Microsoft Word. I opened it, then to my workspace where I want to use for my work or to start my work. That defines number 3, which says open or execute a program. Once you have moved the pointer to an action, once you have moved the pointer to an icon or folder or another object, clicking or double clicking that object opens the document or executes the program. Some program even supports triple clicking. Then number 4, which is the last, we use the mouse to select. Selection in the sense that a mouse Number 4, it says select. A mouse also lets you select text or a file, or highlight and select multiple files at once. Did you get that? Yes. Now let's move on. Part of a mouse. Part of a mouse. What a mouse consists of. Different parts, just like a human being. You have the hand, you have the head, you have the leg, you have the eyes. Those are the parts of the body. So also our mouse has different parts. Now, what are the parts? Number one, right click. Which I said the right button. The right button.
So is that the right or left?
Sorry, the left button. Thank you. This is the left button. The left button. What is the uses? Say for what? Optional command. That's the use. Sir?
Direct command.
Okay, you have direct.
Yes, left click. Direct command.
Okay, no, sorry. Remember, the first point is right click, which is this part. This is our right click for issuing of command. Then the left, this is the left button to direct command. The first one we said to all to is up to optional command, to give command. Okay, when we say optional, to select different options or different directives. Now left click to direct the command. Now you've chosen a particular command which is from your right button or your right click. Then your left click tells you what to do with that right click or right button you have clicked. Now the third one, scroll button. This is our scroll button. Some people call it scroller, but you call it in computer scroll button. The one in the middle that looks like tire. Now the laws of operating system state that before a command can be issued to either text or graphics, such must be highlighted. What does that mean? If you want to operate any, like we have in this options here, let me say if you want to increase your words, the computer would say, we call it font. Now this is your font, and this is the place, this is the parts or section you can increase. Let me just type something, making use of the mouse. Now I say, I'm sorry. Let me say, so this is our Word section, Microsoft Word page. And I type, make use of my mouse. I want to start from here. I type the word "save." All in capital letter. Now, and I want to increase the size. First of all, according to the law of operating system, which says for every operation you must what? First of all, highlight it. Now, how do I highlight? I place my my points are here to the front or to the end of that word, and I click, left click, hold it down, and right, my right to my left, and I release my hands. Now I want to make it bold. Where do I go to? I have my board here, which is my B. I click, and it's bold. It's darker, isn't it? Are we sleeping? So, just to demonstrate or to buttress on what that law says. Now we can see the shadow. You can see the shadow. If I want to remove this, can we see it? This background is what we call highlights. Now I've highlighted the word set. I'm sure we can do that. Thank you. So today we talked about what the mouse is all about. The uses of a mouse, the features of a mouse, part of the mouse. So come to an end of our topic. Any questions?
Ask her your questions.
Is that it?
Ask her your question before, madam. Once she's done asking questions, you ask her your own to be sure that she understood. And that means, so ask her your own questions.
Alright. Wow, my question is not right. Now, can you tell us who invented the mouse?
Angel Bar.
Correct.
Well, thank you very much. We'll try. At least your lesson was delivered and it was understood by your customer. I hope so. That's what you said. And although you read from the handout, but I know gradually you become used to it and you understand some things. So let us just summarize. Okay, from the mouse, it's an input device that is used to give command,
Yeah.
They will now talk about the uses. So what are the uses?
Point, to select,
Select.
to scroll, to open, yeah.
Okay. They will now talk about the part or features of mouse, which are what?
Then you have the left button, the right button,
And the scroll button. So you discuss the right button as the optional command,
yeah,
the left button as the direct command.
direct command.
Why is it called optional command?
Because when you click on it, when you have different options.
Yeah?
When you click on it, right, it's going to bring out different options.
Yes.
Select.
So the law of operating system states that what?
You should always highlight your text before.
Issuing command to it.
Yes.
Like for example, if you want to make your text bold, you must first of all do what?
Highlight it.
Thank you very much. We'll see on Friday. So on Friday I will give you a topic too and you will teach us. So I think on Friday it will be presentation. You type it on Microsoft PowerPoint. And as you'll be teaching, you screen so that your lesson will be understood. So I'll give you something to type now on that PowerPoint. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.